Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today we are going to unbox the Walmart Beauty Box together. So it's here, I'm excited. You can see it is still sealed in plastic. I'm going to break the seal and then open this box with you and let's see what all surprise goodies are inside. Remember, this is one of those really cool, great deals that I'm sure is actually a loss leader for Walmart because it's only $5 with free shipping, and there are usually a ton of trial size items in here, and I think the shipping alone must cost about $5. Anyway, killer deal. It's like a fun little quarterly surprise, so hold on tight. Okay, so I have peeled off the plastic and now it's time to lift the top. Let's see what's in here. All right, what does this say? Embrace the beauty. Rate and review this spring's products at walmart.com/tp/shop-beauty-box. So, this is pretty neat. They're actually looking for your feedback. They want to know what we as consumers think. And then we open the paper, lots of interesting goodies. Let's see if I can fold it back so it'll stay open. Okay, we got some Dove brand exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. So that's pretty interesting. That is 1 ounce. I can put that in the shower and use that. Helps get off dry skin. And then this is Soft Soap Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. And this is, looks like a coconut fig variety. So that'll be pretty neat. That is 2 fluid ounces. Let's see, this is an ad for Garnier Whole Blends hair products. This is, let's see, Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. Fair to medium skin tones. Let's see. It says glides on smoothly to lock in hydration and create gradual subtle color. So that could be pretty good for someone like me in the summertime here. I have very fair skin and my skin burns very easily. Sometimes I even get a skin like a sun allergy rash, whereas most people would be fine outside for 15-20 minutes. I get a rash. My skin is very, very temperamental in a lot of different ways. So this would be a lot healthier to help to give me a little bit of color in a safer way, staying out of the sun. Okay, what is this? This says Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore. So masks are really popular lately. It looks like a lot of these different sample boxes have all kinds of different masks in them. Let me know what you think. I'm always a little hesitant to put something new on my face for any length of time, and usually a mask has to sit on your face for a long time. I want to find out if they really help you guys, if anyone has ever had a reaction to it. So I am intrigued, but at the same time, I usually like things that I can just put on my face and then wash off quickly. So I'll think about this. And then this is where we got this little ad here earlier for the Garnier Whole Blends. This is the actual shampoo and conditioner sample. They're the little tear open squeezy packs, and it says 0.34 ounces in each one. So that's enough. For me, that would probably be enough to do 2 hair washes and conditioners. So 2 separate showers. I think I could do like half out of each one. That's about how much I put in the palm of my hand. It's a big sample. You can tell it's about the length of the palm of my hand. Okay, and then there is an ad in here for the soft soap, which goes with the shower gel that we looked at earlier. So let's see, we got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if you count the shampoo and conditioner as 2 separate items. So they're perfect sizes to try out at home or even take on vacation with you. I mean, it is summertime. So for $5, and they came shipped to my door, and I got to do a cool little review on YouTube for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm already looking forward to the next one. I really do love these little boxes, and they're usually full of really neat stuff that I can actually use. Sometimes in certain companies' sample boxes, you get all kinds of oddball things, but these are products that I can actually use, or I have girlfriends who would use some of these things if I did not, I'm sure. So there you go. Hope you guys really enjoyed that. Thank you for stopping in to watch, and I will see you next time. Until then, that's how I'm doing it.